Hello, my name's Ian Hayden and I'm the Teaching and Learning Leader for Geography at Denbigh High School. The purpose of this video is to show you how to set up a team meeting using G Suite. By the end of this video, you should be more familiar with using Google Calendar to schedule your meetings, how to use Google Meet to invite participants, and then how to actually log in and run that session. Over the last 6 months, I've been holding most of my department meetings online. The way that I've found easiest to schedule those meetings is through Google Calendar. So on the screen you can see my Google Drive. To find Google Calendar, you click on the 9 little dots in the top right corner of the screen, then select Google Calendar and it will take you to this screen. Now that I'm on Google Calendar, I'll firstly select the date I want the meeting to be held. So I'm going to hold this one on a Saturday. Secondly, I'll scroll up and down to choose the correct time. Once I've found the time, I'll right click and this box will appear. Once the meeting box has appeared, the first thing I need to do is type the title of the meeting in this top space. Underneath that, I can select the time of the meeting. So for this meeting, I want it to be 45 minutes. Underneath, I can add the guests. So if you know their email addresses, you can put it in here. The next step's very important. It says, add Google Meet video conferencing. You must do this if you want to run your meeting on Google Meet. A link is then published. Below that in the descriptions box, I can type my agenda. And I found this useful to do because typing the agenda in here means that all of my guests will receive an email with the agenda. Finally, the last step is to press save. Once you've pressed saved, it will ask you if you want to send an email out to all of your guests. On the day of the meeting, you will receive a Google reminder 10 minutes before the meeting. To enter the meeting, I click the meeting and then I click join with Google Meet. This screen will then appear, which has got a video of you and your camera. On that, you click Join Now, and then it will take you to this screen. Here is where you will run the meeting from. In the top right corner, you can click the People tab and see who is attending your meeting, and then to the right of that, you can click the Chat option. This enables you to send messages to participants in your meeting. The purpose of this video is just to quickly introduce you to the most efficient way to set up and run a meeting using Google Meet. There will be a webinar to follow looking at best practice in holding meetings online.